Oh my God! You won't believe the drama that's about to hit the US economy. The economic storm is brewing and Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary is sounding the alarm. He's spilling the tea on the interest rates are flying sky high. We're talking 5, 25, 5, 50, the highest since 2001. The Federal Reserve's battle against inflation has triggered these wild swings. Commercial real estate is also in the hot seat. Commercial real estate is caught in the crosshairs, over $1.5 trillion in debt's about to go boom in the next 2 to 3 years. Loans that partied at 5.6 are now facing an interest rate hangover of 9.11. Troubles lurking everywhere. Bloomberg's shouting from the rooftops, $64 billion in troubled property assets. Commercial mortgage delinquencies are popping off at 3% in the first quarter of 2023. Banks are sweating bullets. Higher capital requirements? Yeah, they're pulling back on loans, making it harder than ever to score that dough. Kevin's calling a run on the banks as he sees it. People are sneaking their payroll accounts to the big shots like Citi, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley. And small businesses, they're getting caught in the storm too. Nobody's lending a dime to the under 500 million squad. But guess what? That's where 60% of America's jobs are at stake. What do you think about this economic whirlwind? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get this convo going. And remember to smash that follow button for more exciting updates.